it's a latest update from Mike Summerfield, and you can see the size conditioning. He has put on lots of muscle mass in his off season, and you can see he is looking good. He is good in shape. The size is good. The midsection and the overall conditioning. Right now, he's carrying a decent physique, so there are highest chances that he'll get the title of 2025 in Classic Division of Mr. Olympia. So, what do you think, guys? Who is going to win this year, Mr. Olympia 2025 in Classic Division? So it's a latest update of Rubiel Mosquera, and you can see his physique. He looks so monstrous, and his arms look so bigger. You can see his triceps, so he looks so big, but still he needs to work more on his overall balance because his arms are bigger than his shoulders. So he's working on that, and definitely we are going to see him competing in IFBB Pro Show. Right now, he's working on his physique, so you can see the recent update. He is looking impressive. It's a latest update of Nick Walker. As we know that he got the second place at Pittsburgh Pro. So although it was little controversial because the competition was tight, it's a close call between Nick Walker and Derek Lunsford. So he got the second place. He was disappointed, and right now he has announced that he'll competing in New York Pro. As we were expecting. So look at his physique. His hamstrings are just so impressive. So already he has announced that he's going to win the show. Let's see what performance he'll bring on the stage. Vincenzo is only 2 days out for the New York Pro, and you can see the conditioning. He is looking impressive, and you can see the V taper, the size. He is looking good. Let's see what performance he'll bring on the New York Pro stage. You can see the density in back. Let's see what improvements we will see. Only 2 days are left for the New York Pro, and you can see he looks so monster in terms of his upper body. Look at his back shoulder, especially the arm size. His arms looks just unreal, and in Pittsburgh Pro he got the 5th place. Uh, let's see what improvements he'll make in 1 week, and what performance we are going to see from him at New York Pro 2025. Only 2 days are left for the New York Pro, and as we know that he's competing in New York Pro, and this is his latest update. So his size is looking good, although we haven't seen any proper update, physique update of him, but we can say that he is looking good in size and shape. Look at his delts, his triceps. So what do you think, guys? What performance we are going to see from him at the New York Pro Show? So let's see. It's our latest update from Dennis Fredrich, and you can see the size. He is looking massive. And what do you think, guys? Only 2 days are left for the New York Pro. What performance he can bring on the stage? As we know, Nick Walker, Michael Krizo, William Bonac, the mass monsters are competing in this show. So what do you think, guys? Will he make it in top 5? So his back is looking good. So let's see what performance he'll bring on the stage of New York Pro 2025. So Canada is only 2 days out for the New York Pro, and you can see the size and conditioning. So he is looking good, impressive. So what do you think, guys? The lineup is big. The Nick Walker, William Bonac. So it's not going to be easy for him. Let's see what performance we are going to see from him at the New York Pro 2025. Only 2 days are left for the New York Pro 2025. In Pittsburgh Pro, he got the 3rd place. He couldn't deliver his best performance, but in New York Pro, he can come back and provide a good performance at the stage. And right now, he's looking good. So what do you think, guys? Will he win the show or not?